कितना केजी निकला?
5 बार वजन का
वेट करेगा ना।
बहुत सुपर है, खाएगा तो फिर आप दोबारा लेंगे।
आप लोग बोल रहा है इसीलिए ले रहा
ना
हूँ।
अच्छा है ना,
गलत
नहीं।
टेस्ट अच्छा ही होगा।
आप लोग कभी नहीं खाया?
नहीं
अभी लेंगे क्या मालूम है।
1.300
ठीक है,
क्या?
हाँ दे दो। This is the Hammerhead Shark fish I bought from market. So let's start preparing it. First I'll make incision on the fish. The head part. This is the eye. Let's prepare the marination. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste. This is cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon, black pepper, let's put here, juice of 1 lemon, chopped coriander leaves and some water. Put the marination mixture. Apply it all over the fish. Oil is ready, so let's start frying. Let's try it out, how it tastes like. I'm gonna have it for the first time. I've never tasted this, so let's try and see. And here is my samtong. This is boiled mustard leaves with fermented soybeans. Just simple boiled vegetables, but the taste is very nice. It's healthy also. And let me show you, this is the fish. This is good. This is boneless fish. Only one bone in the middle only. Mustard leaves is from here. The mustard leaves which we get in Manipur is much better. You can eat that mustard leaves as a salad also. But this time I don't have in my garden. Still, this is also nice. You can have as a soup also. So nice. Very nice. I love this rice because it's similar to what we get in Manipur. It's called Indrani. If you want, you can ask the shopkeepers also. Hangam ga hawai jar cham na thong ni do su yam hawe. Su boin thak su yam hawe chu. Hawe. Si nga si deep fry deep fry taw na how bugum taw eh. And chang thong di khang di ko cha dream phao deep fry taw si yam hawe. The koi di fish river fish ngak cha ra pune na go. Sea fish kum se khramam manam khra hen bugum taw e go. Asi shru yaw dam ne boneless ne. Boneless ne dune na sum deep fry taw hoi nang na fish fingers kum semba. Thôi giải thì ở xin lỗi đã dừng đây này coi umroka manam khamani taste mani ado coi umro ni khar sa ba hin ba so manam ni am nong si coi umro ki tai ta asi hangam si coi Manipur ke hangam na te som de phang hangam na kise khar khatak tawe no hangam phang dab ne na si on dum tawe no su mahaw dum khama lam ne na ko hawe ai in kon da hangam dum phange ba hojikan flat thoki go nong chuman bada loi ni yadre nong chuman bada in kon si loi ni thum re ko insang loi chi re ba adoi hangam su loi ni pum ra chi re Ini sedikit. Asi ni sa ni si nong magi oina asi oirabne lunch dinner su amrangak chai jo khrushon nang ai go noiman hi bai yu sa ba anda num cha ba anda nang ai cha ning mam phai lo chai ko ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯔꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯟꯂꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ KG 4 ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ 7 KG ꯃꯨꯛ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯆꯥꯕꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯔꯤꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯉꯥ ꯉꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯠꯄꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯁꯣꯐ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯀ꯭रिꯁꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦ ꯁꯥꯕꯅ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ 하와 ꯉꯥꯗꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯉꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯨꯗꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦബ്ꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯍꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯎꯅꯔꯁꯤ That's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.